Hello guys and welcome to my channel. So today is our last day in Leh and now we have checked out from this hotel Mayflower. Today we will be moving towards Kargil and on the way visit some of the Hall of Fame Guru Pathar Sahib Sangam Point and we'll check about the hotel. It was an okay hotel. I wouldn't recommend it much to anyone. You can get a better hotels here. The staff is a bit arrogant. Now we have arrived at the Hall of Fame, Leh Hall of Fame. So the entry charges are rupees 200 and for mobile photography it's 20 rupees and the video camera is 100 rupees. So you can see the various guns. Pakistani gun, okay. This is a Pakistani gun machine captured during the Kargil war. Also, this is the Chinese weapons captured during the 1962 war. And again the Pakistani guns captured during the 1965 war. Few again of the Pakistan rifles captured during the Kargil war. So here you can see the terrain map of this from Leh, almost J&K, from Udhampur to Leh, Pangong. It's all has been covered here. Hall of Fame itself, there is a souvenir shop where you can get all the souvenirs. So finally we have exited the Hall of Fame and now we are at the memorial. Actually there is a light and sound show which is there every night. Once we were not knowing it. If we would have known, we would have surely come at night. Just have a look here. Now we have left the Hall of Fame and now we are moving towards the Guru Pathar Sahib. Now we are at the Gurudwara Pathar Sahib. I actually wanted to go there, shoot there, but since it says photography and videography is not permitted, so I'm gonna keep the camera in the car, and if they allow, then I will be shooting from mobile. Otherwise, just see a glimpse of here. That's the Gurudwara. Nothing else. So now we are at the Sangam Point. It is a point where the confluence of the river Indus and the Zanskar. As you can see, the river coming from right is the Zanskar river, and the river from the left is the river Indus. So also the river rafting is done on this river. You can see the actual point is they come from the Zanskar river, but I guess as a driver told, these are the military people. They're going the reverse direction and then coming back swimming against the flow. They have to cross the river. On our way to the Kargil, we have stopped here for the point called Moonland Point. So just have a look at this view from here. So we are near the Lamayero monastery, but it's already around 5. So we won't be stopping here. We'll be directly heading towards Kargil. We're just clicking some pictures from outside. Now we'll be moving towards Kargil. So after all the zigzag roads, we have finally reached the Patula top. It's at a height of 13,479 feet. The road to here was complete zigzag. Also, it's damn windy here. After all the heat from while coming from Leh, I'm feeling bit cold. Also, point to know, Patula top is the highest point on the Leh Srinagar highway. Actually, I was thinking Zojila Pass is the highest point, but Patula top is the highest. So now we have reached the Namikla Pass. It's at an altitude of 12,198 feet. Have a look at the view from here. Oh my gosh. So now we are around just 30 kilometers before Kargil, and it has started raining. So it's around 7 in the evening. We have reached our hotel in Kargil.